Hello, my wonderful pupils. Hope you are all enjoying your stay at home. How are your parents? Hope they are all doing fine. Okay, my name remains Mrs. David. Now, welcome to our week 3. Week 3, nursery 2 class. Subject, social habits. Our topic is begging. Again, begging. Again, begging. That's our topic this morning. Before we enter into our today's topic, I would like to flashback last week's topic, which says hawking. If I ask every one of you what hawking all about, I believe you'll be able to say something. Good. What is hawking? Can someone tell me there what hawking means? Good. Hawking is an act of selling items on the streets or busy roads. Even in the marketplaces, you see some people hawk there. That is what you mean by hawking. People carry things from one place to another for people to buy. As they are going from one place to another, you see people calling them, bring, I want to buy. They buy from them, then they continue on selling until they finish all what they are selling. That is what you mean by hawking. And last week I told you the effect of hawking, that it is not good for little children like you to hawk, especially children of, you know, this hawking, you find children of age 12 to 15, they are mostly involved into this act. And it is not good for little children because there are so many effects on it. When children are hawking, you see at times that child, they kidnap the child through hawking. At times, they molest the child. I explained the other time by touching the child anyhow. You know, you don't allow somebody to touch your body, especially a female child. Once people begin to touch your body, it is not good. That is a child abuse. For you to send a little child to hawk, it's a child abuse. Children don't supposed to hawk. Good. When it comes to hawking, parents can hawk by themselves. They are adults. They have sense. Nobody can just kidnap them like that. Nobody can touch them anyhow. So it is not good for children to hawk. Good. That was our topic last week. Now today we enter into our today's topic, which says begging. Begging. What is begging? I know if I ask any of you what begging is, you know it. You may not be able to explain or express yourself. What is begging? I ask again. Now I will define it for you. Begging is an act of asking something from someone. Yes. Begging is an act of asking something from someone, especially in a worried way, because he needs that thing so much. You are telling the person, oh, please now, please, I need it, please, kindly give it to me, please. That is what you mean by begging. At times you beg something from your parents. Like, mommy, please, I want to buy this biscuit. Please, kindly buy it for me. You are begging your mommy to. It's also the same time you are requesting from your mommy, and the same time you are begging. Me, mommy, please, now. No. Remember, I said, especially in a worried way, because you need it seriously. Now you be begging, oh, mommy, please, kindly buy it for me. I love that shoe that my friend is wearing. Mommy, please, buy that type for me. I love it. That is what you need by begging. Good. Now, I would like to write something down for you.